At a cabinet meeting held on the 2nd of December 2024, key decisions were approved to promote growth and development in Meghalaya. Highlights included extending the lease period for government land from 30 to 60 years, the appointment of retired Meghalaya Agriculture Service officer Maqbool Lyngdoh Suiam as the Chief Administrative Officer of the state's Natural and Organic Farming Society, and naming a Registrar-cum-Secretary for the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Other initiatives aimed at fostering progress in the state were also discussed at the cabinet meeting.
Approval for extension of lease period for government land to facilitate developmental projects. As you are aware, that currently we have a policy whereby the lease period for allotment of government land to lessees, which are individuals and entities, is fixed at 30 years. But in view of the need and the increasing number of proposals for large-scale investments and projects, we deem that this duration is insufficient to attract investors who would like a reasonable return on their investment. So the Cabinet, through the Department of Revenue and Disaster Management Department, came up with a proposal to change and alter this extension of the lease period of government land from the existing 30 years to a period of 60 years. And this is to be made further renewable for a period of additional 30 years for projects under different investment modes. This will, we hope, it will help to incentivize, encourage, and also attract investors to invest in various projects in the state of Meghalaya, and especially in sectors which are showing signs of growth and hold promise for further enhancing the economy of the state. Number 2 is a proposal for appointment of Mr. Maqbool Lyngdoh Suiam, retired MAS, to the post of Chief Administrative Officer of the Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. I repeat, Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. It was this matter was put up to the Cabinet, and we approved the proposal for the appointment of the said officer, Mr. Maqbool Lyngdoh Suiam, retired Meghalaya Agriculture Service officer, for the post of CAO, Chief Administrative Officer, for a period of 3 years. And the third matter which came up for consideration before the Cabinet was the appointment of the Registrar-cum-Secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, which is a very important office, and a couple of names came up for consideration before the Cabinet, and as per the recommendation of the department concerned, which is the Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, the Cabinet has agreed to the proposal to appoint Srimati Susana D. Redchong, MSS retired, as recommended from the shortlisted candidates. So, Mrs. Susanna D. Wilchong has been now duly approved by the Cabinet for appointment as Registrar-cum-Secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. So these were the major items that came up for consideration by the Cabinet.